part of your in the communication process becomes solidified when you understand, right? You need to understand in order to remember. So if the patient understands the wrong thing, guess what they're going to remember? The wrong things, right? So having something written is still going to be superior to doing that. So in the future, maybe it will definitely be faster for there to be a back and forth exchange, whereby the instant HPI model really will prepare things that the patient will basically only have to say like yes or no type things, right? So you will see, I'll give you the example. It's currently what we have. It's currently what we have that, in my opinion, is a lot better than anything else, but it's because instant HPI does multiple things. So patient completes the form in the native language, intake, consultation, they explain their problems. The AI will not only translate the information to the physician's language, but it's going to do the work for the physician. So it's going to prepare the documentation, the prescriptions, the consultation requests, the referrals, the imaging, the lab work, right? So all this put together is why instant HPI is on a different ball game. All right. So provided documentation translated back, notes, instructions, prescriptions rendered like that. So it's a bidirectional language automation benefits. What do we get as a benefit? Reliability, legal protection, expanded access. I can give right now medical consultations in 180 plus languages to anyone in Quebec. That is number one thing. The second thing is I can do it in their language, albeit they need to know how to write and how to type. Read, they need to know how to read their own language, because sometimes you'll say, what if you meet somebody that only speaks an African dialect and they can't read that African dialect? Well, then they can't use instant HPI for that particular part, because you need to be able to read a form in order to use it properly. So more access, but the average person here in Quebec right now knows how to read. So even if they write, with mistakes, it's okay. The AI will actually interpret things properly still. So for patients, more comfort, accuracy, clear understanding, informed consent, and cultural sensitivity. For providers, it removes the translation bottlenecks. No extra translation work. You don't need to be waiting for somebody to be on the phone with somebody else. So I have to tell you right now, the consultation model with instant HPI goes best, not works well with. I said it goes best with telemedicine, and not only with telemedicine, it works best with chat-based applications like Spruce, in case you've ever heard of that. Spruce Health is a medical consultation platform that you can use, and it's a text-based system, but it allows also for phone calls and for video consultation. So a little bit like the image that you see here, right? With that's like a cell phone. It's a little bit like that. But so instant HPI tier 4 workflow, patient completes intake, asynchronous forms completed in patient's native language before consultation begins. So this is absolutely important and essential, completely superior to that stuff from Google Meet that's not even out yet.